What's going on, everybody? Aaron here, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about something I ended up getting kind of by accident, but kind of happy that I got it. So a month ago, about a couple of months ago, I decided to invest, or it's not invest, but to try out a free sample of a product. Saw it on Facebook advertised. I figured I would try the free sample, so I got a little box with 2 different bottles of laundry detergent from Frey. First one, it came with the 2 scents you could try, which is there's 2 detergents here. One is cedarwood, oak moss, and amber, the black bottle. Now, I'm gonna tell you right off the rip, this smells amazing. Like, I wish I could give you the scent, but the profile is really good, and I like good smelling stuff. And then I got the white bottle here, which is the sandalwood, bergamot, and clove. And I was so torn about which one to get. Like, I actually was debating about getting it, and ultimately decided at the end I wasn't gonna buy anything because it's hard to justify with my wife buying like a laundry detergent just for me that I'm gonna like that she's not gonna like. So I decided, that I would just try the sample, see how I liked them, and go from there. And I really liked the white bottle. Well, silly me, I didn't realize I took a survey, and it, after I got my scent, thinking, okay, this is a nice survey, and it asked me like, how often do I wash my clothes? How many loads do I do a week, and so on and so forth. And do I wear t-shirts do I wash my t-shirts weekly, or do I just wear them until they smell bad, which is kind of my thing. I like to wear my shirts until they are just to the point where where they start to smell, and then I'm like, okay, throwing that in the wash. Well, I noticed that I had a $42 charge, and Frey sent me a subscription box. Nothing against Frey. I didn't read the fine print on my own, which was that I needed to make sure I didn't subscribe. But I had got a subscription to it. $42, I thought it was just a one-time charge, apparently. Well, I thought it was just the samples. I ended up ordering a full supply for a month, or for like a 3-month, or a full 3-month supply. So, Frey sent me all of this with that $42 charge. Again, I'm not mad, because it's on me. I should have paid attention, but I will say this: I'm kind of happy. I'm kind of happy I made the mistake, and I got a bottle of detergent right here. This is a 3-month supply of detergent, apparently, or 50 load, which would be I do a load a week, so that's almost like a full year for me with this detergent. Now, instantly, I had to open it, and it's sealed, so that's the good thing, so it won't leak everywhere. So it won't leak everywhere whenever you get it shipped. But that stuff right there smells so good. Like, it's the same little thing here. I mean, I've got a year supply already, because like I said, I do laundry, like my laundry, once a week, and it comes with the pumps that you put on the thing here. So like, if you don't want to do the squeeze, you just screw that on, and that works just as well to pump it all out. And then you've got the fabric conditioner, which softens it. Now, I have well water. I live out in the woods, so it's like I don't have to worry about like chlorine and stuff like that and other things just hardening up my laundry. But this actually does help soften up my clothes that I wear for work and all that stuff. I've tried out the detergent, and it smells wonderful. Like, I've got a shirt on right now that was washed in it, and I tried out this, and it smelled wonderful. The fragrance booster here, I haven't tried out. Now, I've tried out the laundry detergent, and I haven't tried out the softener, but I've had, or the conditioners, but I've had fabric conditioner used before. And from what I've read from people's reviews on the fabric conditioner, it really does work. So I'm really excited about that. And finally, they sent me some dryer sheets. Now, I love using dryer sheets. I love something that just really really makes like everything so much more comfortable, so much more better. And this actually will take care of some of the, because I've got dogs, and as you can see, you can probably see it on my shirt a little bit. I've got animal hair, so, and it's hard for me to keep dryer sheets because every time I do, like my cats will knock them into the waste bin or something like that, and or I'll have something spill on them or something like that. Like I had a bottle of oil that I kept in my cabinet above my washer and dryer tilt over because of the vibration, and oil got everywhere. Like it was motor oil too, because my laundry room's kind of my all-purpose room. Like it has everything I need to work on stuff. Yeah, I don't do a lot of store. I don't have a lot of storage space where I'm at right now, and probably won't whenever I move. So I'm gonna have to figure out ways to store stuff. But I'm gonna say this. This stuff is so great, and for someone who's also like looking for eco-friendly stuff, this stuff is really safe for your environment and your water lines and all that. It's also safe for your washer and dryer from everything I've been reading on them. Like they even, let you know that they're happy to have you there, and like the normal subscriptions really aren't that expensive. Like the only reason mine was $42 is because I had everything put in there, apparently. Other than the Universal Freshener and the Travel Essentials kit. I got the conditioner, the detergent, other things like that. Now, I can't wait to like wash more stuff in this and see how well it takes care of like the kind of dried in scents, so to speak, that you get from like your dryer sucking in just stale air and drying it like that, and your washer having that kind of, because most washers really don't. The one bad thing about a washing machine, especially a front loader, is that it has a rubber gasket, and that rubber gasket just traps nastiness underneath it, and that's just one of my words, nastiness. But guys, this stuff smells so amazing. Again, I'm not doing this as an ad. I'm just kind of like a fanboy of it. I really am impressed with how good this is. Again, I really appreciate the fact that Frey has something like this out there, because I'm finding out now that that my skin really can't tolerate a lot of the stuff like it used to. Like I'm having to like find new products that actually work well, and this is actually a decent product. Again, I've tried out this one, and this one was really good, so I'm kind of happy that they sent me the white one. I like the smell of the black one too, but I really like the smell of the white one better. Like that sandalwood and bergamot goes well with me, and then the cedarwood, like that smells really good. That smells like something that a laundromat would use, and it's cedarwood, oak moss, and amber. So if you like the cedarwood, if you like the smell of like a robust forest or something like that, go with this. This is a really good smell. Now, if you like the smell like I've got going on now, which is sandalwood, bergamot, and clove, which is a very citrusy, kind of fresh smell, then by all means, this is a good smell. I mean, I love the smells of these, and apparently Frey has come out with they're working on like hygiene products as well, which is really awesome. Again, like I said, no, I'm not endorsed by them. I'm not endorsing them, but I'm very happy to say that this was a great package, and the packaging is I like simplistic packaging. So, and then when you open it up, it tells you better for you, better for your clothing, and better for the world. And I believe that they're actually being honest about that, because it does have, like, most of the time, I will say this, when you have pets, their scent kind of picks up on your clothing. And I've tried, and I've been using like other laundry detergents, and I will say this, their smells usually aren't that potent when covering up scents, and this one actually did cover up a good bit of scent there, and I was actually at work, and I was like, oh, I can still smell it. I can still smell the Frey, and I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna give this a shot for as long as it lasts. If it lasts for a year, again, it says 50 loads. I do a load a week. There's 52 weeks in a year. I shouldn't be buying another subscription here anytime soon. Now, I will say that their subscription plan is kind of you gotta pay attention to when you set up for it. I didn't, so that was my bad. But definitely give them a shot. Definitely try it out. I will recommend that. I recommend Frey, and I've recommended a couple of things on here before, and I'm standing by it. I recommend it. So anyway, that's it for this episode. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on all the social media. The links for all that's in the description below, as well as links for my friend's awesome works. You can also check out I might put a link in the video here for Frey. If you'd like to get you a bottle of it. Again, not sponsored. Unless y'all want to sponsor us, Frey, I would really like that. That would be, we're a small and humble channel. I tried. But anyway, click on the bell icon. That'll keep you up to date with what we're doing. And so anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.